2K resolution. When it comes to security, the key is in the detail. See exactly what is happening in and around your home in crisp 2K clarity, 1080p while using HomeKit. A year security from one charge. Avoid frequent trips to charge the battery and enjoy 365-day battery life from just one charge. Zero hidden costs. Designed to protect your home as well as your wallet, eufyCam 2 Pro is a one-time purchase that combines security with convenience. Advanced night vision. The f2.0 aperture lens and high photosensitivity sensor allow for more light to be captured and for the total surface area monitored to be increased. The end result is superior image quality for your nighttime recordings. Ready for any weather. With an IP67 weatherproof rating, eufyCam 2 Pro is built to withstand the elements. Top reviews from the United States. Great image quality and range. I liked these cameras so much I've bought even more since my original purchase. They have a really nice picture, and the range is great. We have acreage, and I have some of the cameras over an acre away with just one bar short of full strength. Battery life seems good so far.